guys, it's Ree here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing something super fun and creative. I'm gonna recreate the makeup I found on Pinterest. It's gonna be a colorful one. I just wanted to, get a little bit over this sad, boring looks and get the color in life. I love scrolling through makeup inspo and I thought, why not to bring one of those looks to life together? So grab a snack or do your makeup with me and let's dive in. I just found so many different makeup looks and I haven't decided yet what I want to do, but actually I've got blue on and I don't know, something speaks to me about blue, so I think we should do that one. I think it will be something funny, great, easy for beginners, but also interesting for someone who has already done a lot of makeup and just wants something simple, quick, but creative. I am starting with brows. I'm just gonna glue them up. They're really straight. I don't know if I could do, them straight. I'm just gonna work with my natural shape, but do them a little bit thinner. Is it straight enough? I think it's fine. Let's leave them like this. Let's fill in the gaps. The brows are done. Now for our base. My picture is right here. What I see, it's light base. I don't actually see any bronzer even there, but we will have some. So the base is just clear, light, just blank canvas. So I'm just applying my foundation. Okay, so I look like a ghost. A little bit here, a little bit here. In the picture, I don't see any bronzer, but we're gonna add some just so our face gets dimension, because it's just flat for it now. And it's not okay, it's not great, I don't want it. Let's start there. On a picture, I can see she has some light pink blush. Let's see what shades I have. So those are the 3 shades of blush I have, and I think the most pinkest is this one. So we're gonna use this. Oh, fuck, I forgot how pigmented it is. I think this is too much of a blush. If I do say so myself, I will fix it. Powder, powder, powder. Just the basics, bronzer and everything. It's just your typical base. She also has highlighter, so let's get it. She has white highlighter here. Oh yes, right here, yes, and here. Base is ready, so now let's get into the eye makeup. I'm just looking into it, and so it's like a halo eye of some kind. Blue here, and white here. So we will start with it. The Bright Mattes from Beauty Bay. What shade should I use? This mixed with this, more mixture. I'm just gonna use the light shades all over my lid. And now for the color. Oh my god, I'm scared. Literally, it's scary because I haven't done colorful makeup in a while. So I'm taking the brush, which is flat, starting with light blue here, so we will blend it more. Okay, let's stop there. I look like just ridiculous. This is some kind of a shape. It's not perfect, not quite as on a sketch, but also this is just a picture, just a sketch on a doll face. basically on a paper, so it's gonna look different. But yeah, I don't think we should do this kind of wing situation here, but we will fix it a little bit later. I'm taking the darker one and just hitting it like here, and just, you know, blending. You're gonna ask me, how are you gonna curl it in? I'm just taking makeup wipe lightly. Now, this is the basics of the shape. I am gonna take the big fluffy brush I had. What is it? Where is it? Oh, it's right here. Taking this nude, and now blending. You might tell me, like, what? You're blending blue shadows with a nude? Yes, I do, and you see the difference. So this eye is much more softer, and this is actually what I wanted. Softer. Now we should take white, plain white, and place it right here. Now we shall do this red liner. So you may ask, how do you have red liner? No, and you also don't have to. You either can use some gel liner. For example, I have orange and also pink, but then when you're patting shadows over it, you also can see, like, this is orange and you can see that, and this is pink and you also can see that. Also, if you have Duraline, you can mix the shadows with Duraline and just get liner. I will try to do that, and we're gonna see what we ended up with. I have a mixture of this color here also. Let's try. It's like this. Is it too much? Is it too long? Is it too long? Should it be there? Okay, I don't even know at this point. It's not like on a picture, but I can't do anything else. Oh my god, it's nothing like the picture. So, oh my god, no. No. Oh my god, no. I don't know how I am gonna do the same thing on the other eye. I don't know, and I also don't like it. It looks so great on a picture. Why it looks so bad in real life? Maybe someone who has more precise hand, or I don't know, just can draw. Do this. Do this because it looked simple, and you know, it's one of those looks when you thought you did, but you didn't. I am now thinking that if I would do the liner, the top one, only under my brow, and this was shorter, and this was shorter, it could look great. Maybe I just have to do that. Maybe I just have to do that. Now I just look like a clown. Maybe it's a good makeup for Halloween. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Not the best makeup I have done. Also not the best colorful makeup I have done. But I think with lashes it just looks like it's clown makeup. So it would be great for some occasions. It's not terrible, it's not. But I think we could fix some things. If we remove this, okay, the lips already looks 10 times better. Okay, take this like this. We took this. This how the look could be. And I think this is the better version. I kind of fixed it. This is it. See you soon. I hope this video will actually come out and I won't get embarrassed. Basically, the thing I like the most about this look is my lips. Now, when I'm thinking about this, it's just not usual. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and I see you soon.